Good morning children. Good morning parents. Okay ma? ఆ నుండి ఆహా వరకు ఓరల్ చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. మళ్ళీ ఆ నుండి ఓ వంటే వరకు రాయడం కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. ఈ రోజు ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలి? ఓ ఓడా. ఓకే మా? ఓ ఓడా నేర్చుకునే ముందు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మనము ఓరల్ చెప్పుకుందామా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నాతో పాటు రాస్తూ చెప్పండి. ఓకేమా? ఆ అమ్మ, ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడుత, ఊ ఊయల, రు ఋషి, రు. ఓకేమ్మా? ఓకేమ్మా? ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఓ ఒంటె. ఇక్కడ వరకు నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా. ఈరోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సిన పదం ఏంటి? ఓ ఓడా. ఏం అక్షరం? ఓ ఓడా, ఓ ఓడా. ఓకేమ్మా? ఔషధం. ఆకి సున్నా పెడితే అంకెలు. ఆకి 2 సున్నాలు పెడితే ఆహా అంతఃపురము. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఈరోజు నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన లెటర్ ఏంటి? సారీ మా. ఓ ఓడా. సేమా? ఓ ఓడా. ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్లేట్ మా. స్లేట్ పైన ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓ ఓడా, ఓ ఓడా. చెప్పండి. ఓ ఓడా. సీమా, ఓడా యు నో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? This way, what ma? O oda. Oda means boat. BOAT, boat. You know all of you? Yes. O oda. Say children. O oda. Say children. O oda. Okay ma? Practice on your slate ma. So many times practice. O oda. Practice after R to O right. Okay ma? O oda. Say ma. O oda. O oda. Say children. O ఓడా, ఓ ఓడా, ఓ ఓడా. ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్లేట్ మా. ఓ ఓడా. యు నో రీడ్ అండ్ రైట్ బెటా. ఓడా. సే అగైన్. సీ హియర్. ఆ అమ్మ. సే విత్ మీ చిల్డ్రన్. ఆ అమ్మ, ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడుత, ఊ ఊయల, ऋषि रू ए एलुक ए ఏనుగు ఐ ఐదు ఓ ఒంటె ఓ ఓడ ఔ ఔషధ ఆకి సున్నా పెట్టే అంకెలు ఆకి రెండు సున్నాలు పెడితే ఆహా అంతఃపురము. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, అగైన్ సే ఆ అమ్మ, ఆ ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడత, ఊ ఊయల, రు ఋషి రు ఏ ఎలుక, ఏ ఏనుగు, ఐ ఐదు, ఓ ఒంటె, ఓ ఓడ, ఔ ఔషధ, అంకెలు, ఆహా అంతఃపురము. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ओके बेटा टेक्स्ट बुक नोटबुक देना बेटा विथ नोटबुक्स टेक्स्ट बुक देना बेटा. ओके माँ टेक्स्ट बुक देर मीन्स डेली वन लेटर से एंड राइट बेटा. वो उनके कंप्लीटेड नो टेक्स्ट बुक वन पेजी राइट बेटा. ओके देर मीन्स राइट बेटा, नॉट देर मीन्स स्लेट प्रैक्टिस बेटा. ओके अगेन नोटबुक ब्रॉड लाइन बुक देना बेटा, राइट दिस लाइक. Again touch the line beta. O onte completed no. Today O oda practice in your textbook and notebook there means right. Otherwise textbook notebook not there means slate write on your slate ma. Okay? Okay beta. Today practice on your slate. O oda. Say with me children. O oda. Sima O oda. Okay daily practice did you ma compulsory. Yesterday before class O onte completed. Today which letter ma? O oda. Say with me O oda. Okay see here this what ma? Slate. This what beta? Slate. Okay this like practice ma. O oda. Okay ma, you know this O oda? Yes, O oda. See here writing there O oda. Say and write beta. O oda. Say with me. O oda. O oda. Say children. O oda. Okay beta. A amma. Say children. A amma. Say with me beta. A amma. A ఆవు. Say beta. ఆవు. ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడుత, ఊ ఊయల, రు ఋషి, రు. Okay children, right now say read beta. Eluka, eluka, ఏనుగు. Say beta. ఏనుగు. ఐదు. ఐదు. ఒంటె. ఒంటె. Today practice on your slate. Today oda. Say with me children. Today practice oda. Say ma. Oda. Look at the word again. See here. Amma. ఆవు, ఈ ఇల్లు, ఈ ఈక, ఊ ఉడుత, ఊ ఊయల, రు ఋషి, రు. ఎలుక, ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఒంటె, oda. Okay beta, see here. Okay ma, this total practice on your slate ma. Oda. Say with me children. Oda. See here. Oda. Look at the word children. Oda. Okay ma. Oda. Okay ma children. To here homework. Okay ma. To ఆ నుండి ఓడ వరకు homework beta. One time. Okay children. ఆ నుండి ఓడ వరకు homework one time. Write in your keep in your group beta. Okay children. Say again. A to O. Read and keep beta. Voice message also. Okay ma. Thank you beta.
Good morning children. How are you beta? Are you fine? Okay. Up to where learn beta practice letters Hindi. Okay. Again we will read. We will practice that letters. Okay children? Very good beta. Nicely practice Nana. Say beta. Again one. once from where to where. We learned, we practiced. Again, once we will check. Say anar. Say am. Say imali. Say eek. Say ullu. Say un. Say rushi. Say edi. I say island. O say okali. Au say aurat. Say anggur. Aha say apapa. Say, look at the word beta. Say au. Au say aurat. Au say aurat. We practice, no? Today which letter? Am letter. Today which letter beta? Am letter. Today we will practice. Okay? Okay children, see beta. I am writing here. Look at the board Nana. Already I know all are to have practice with good children, no? Say angur. See beta. Say angur. Say angur. Say anggur. Say anggur. Say anggur. Angur means what beta? Grapes. Angur means what? Grapes. Say angur is like this only, no? Angur, grapes, you know? Huh? You know grapes like this only, yeah? Are you like grapes, beta? Huh? Okay. In market, like this, grapes are there, na? Huh? Oh, like this, no? What is this, beta? Grapes. Which color? This grapes color, which color? Huh? Green color. What is this? Say angur. Say angur. Angur means grapes. 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 Angur. Grapes. Say beta. Say here. Look at the word first. Is there na? Letter na? This also letter. Angur. Understand na? Practice again like this. Practice beta. Say angur. हमसे अंगूर, हमसे अंगूर, हमसे अंगूर, हमसे अंगूर, हमसे अंगूर. अंगूर means what beta? Grapes. Say with me beta, drilling, say with me beta. Say, see, look at the board, one letter nana. Say anar. Say आम. इसे इमली. इसे ईक. उसे उल्लू. उसे ऊन. रुसे ऋषि. ऐसे एड़ी. ऐसे आईना. ओसे ओकली. औसे औरत. हमसे अंगूर. आहा से आहा. Learned finish a game. I think after all are in Zoom classes showing say aha the first before class certainly right and sitting. No, good children. Yes, again once you say beta. Okay. से अनार. से आम. इसे इमली. इसे ईक. उसे उल्लू. उसे ऊन. रुसे ऋषि. ऐसे एड़ी. ऐसे आईना. ओसे ओकली. औसे औरत. हमसे अंगूर. आहा से आहा. See beta, aha means what beta? Laugh. Okay. Practice beta. Okay children. Today we learned akshar. No? One more letter is there, no beta? Which what is that letter? Aha. Like that letter also today we learn. Yes. See beta. Aha. What? Aha. Aha. What beta? Aha. Aha. से अंगूर. से अंगूर. Aha means aha. Yes. से अंगूर. Practice better. से अंगूर. से अंगूर. से अंगूर. नेक्स्ट से बेटा आहा. क्या है? आहा. आहा. Aha. Yes. Aha. Aha. Today we learned how many letters, beta? 2 letters. What? से अंगूर. Aha. Yes. से अंगूर. Aha. Yes. Okay. Say once again from first. से अनार. से आम. से इमली. से ईख. से उल्लू. से ऊन. से ऋषि. ऐसे एड़ी. ऐसे आयरन. से ओकली. से औरत. से अंगूर. आहा से आहा. दगमा चलनी बेटा. आहा मीन्स आहा. Practice ना बेटा. Today how many letters? 2 letters. letter. Aha letter. Letter. Aha letter. After this finish, from take slate beta, take slate and write from start. Here to you will write. से अनार से आहा then लिखो. कहाँ से बेटा? up to where बेटा? to aha. Let us total like this. Let us write and keep in the WhatsApp group. People hope there no understand? Understand? To aha. To aha. Write and keep in the group. Okay. Homework group is there? Yes. Write in the group better. Okay, children, you only write better. Okay, na? Okay, children, today which letters we learn? से अंगूर. से अंगूर. And next, aha. से अंगूर, aha. How many letters? 2 letters today we practiced. Aha. Aha. Okay, children. This total practice, but nicely practice, ma. Okay. Same homework, beta. Oh, sorry. Practice, na. Practice. And aha. Akshar. Okay. This is your homework. Okay, children. Thank you.
Good morning, students. We have completed how many alphabets? 3 types of alphabets are completed, no? Capital letters, small letters, and combination letters also we have completed. E. We are write words better. For these letters, we are write words now. Okay now? See, open. Slate with slate take it. Class or pen will write in the class. Okay now? Purchase books soon now. Now see. Okay, beta, take out now your classes. Go to purchase books, take out classes, beta. And write neatly in the class one page and homework one page. See, this is the capital A. Yes, sir? Yes. And it is the small a. With the help of these two, we are write the words here. See. APPLE apple. APPLE apple. Three words are there. ANT ant. ANT ant. AXE axe. Okay, beta? Now see, in the middle line you are right, beta. This is the capital A and this is the small a, no? This is the capital A and small a. And here, two dots you keep, okay? And here you write in the middle line APPLE apple, ANT ant, AXE axe. Okay, now how many words are written here? Three words: apple and axe. APPLE apple, ANT ant, AXE axe. Okay, neat handwriting. In the middle you have to write, and for each word you have to keep finger gap. You have to keep a finger gap. Now second letter word. B, capital B and small b. Capital B and small b. With the B, what the words will come? We have to see now. BAG, bag. BAG, bag. Okay now? And here, BEL, bell. BELL, bell. And third one, BUN, bag. BUN, bag. BUN, bag. From B, okay, now this is the capital B and this is the small b. What we are written with the words B? BAG, bag. BEL, bell. BUN, bag. Okay? Now see, after B, what the letter will come down? Capital C, yes sir? Very good, capital C and small c. Now, this is the capital C and this is the small c. See now, with C letter what you are writing a words? CAT, 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 CAR, car, and COW, cow. COW, cow. Okay now? Now, three words. With the C letter. With C letter, CAT, cat, CAR, COW, cow. Now, how many letters are completed? 3 letters are completed, no? D and E, 2 letters. Still 2 letters. See. D beta, capital D, small d, capital D, small d. With D letter what the words will come here? DOG dog, DOG dog, DENN, DENN, and DOOR dog, DOOR dog. Okay now? What with the D letters? We have written the words DOG dog, DENN, DOOR dog. Okay na? DOOR dog. And with the fifth one, see now. After D, what is the letter will come here? E. Yes sir? D after E. And here it is a small e. Capital E, small e. With the E letter, what are the words here? Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. And here E-G-G-H. E-G-G-H. And here E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Now you understand now? You have completed today how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters you have completed today. 5 letters. If you are having classwork means you copy one time in the classwork and write the homework also one time. And here heading you keep here revision 1. Okay now? Heading you keep there revision 1. See here with A letter, with the letter of A, what the words you are writing means say with me, okay? A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. A-X-E, axe. A-X-E, axe. Okay now? After A, what will come? B. Capital B, small b. With the letter B, what are the words written here? B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. Okay now? That does the 2 lines better. What does the 2 lines? The middle line and the right it. And after B, what is this? C. Okay? Capital C, small c. With the letter C, what were written the words? C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Okay now? C-A-T, cat. C-A-R, car. C-O-W, cow. Okay? Now this letter is completed now. Now here C. After C, what will come here? D. D for D-O-G, dog. This is the capital D and this is small d. Yes sir? Now with the D letter, what are the words here? D-O-G, dog. D-E and N. D-O-O-R, dog. Okay now? D-O-G, dog. D-E and N. D-O-O-R, dog. Okay? And here E. After D, what will become E, no? So here E will be E-L-E-P-H-A-N-D, elephant. Which letter this is? E letter, no? This is the capital and this is the small. Okay? See. With the letter E, we are written here words. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-D, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-D, elephant. E-G-G-H, E-G-G-H. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Now you understand now? 5 letters are completed today. To write neatly one time in the classes. See here? To write your classwork better. On the page you write like this. Classwork. And here same homework. One time. Homework also you write like this. Homework. On one page, up to you write homework. From A to E, words you write. A to E, words. One time. Same like that only better. Same like this only write. Three words. Okay now? For each letter, 3 words you have write. This page for classwork and next page for homework. Okay now? See, with the letters of A, B, C, D, we have completed D-O-G dog. D-E-N dad. D-E-N dad. D-O-O-R dog. D-O-O-R dog. Okay now? And with the letter E is here. This is the capital E and this is the small e. With the letter E, the words are elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-G-G-A. 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 E-A-R-E-M. E-A-R-E-M. Okay now? Now copy one time. This is the class work better. One page to write class work and same homework, same this only you are write up to A to E words. A to E words one time. Okay now? Next class we go now.